Hello, everybody. This is pair number 3. This is my 3 favorite pairs that I did this week. A quick technical analysis of where we are for the past 2 weeks and what we expected for this week coming up. This is the last 2 weeks of September. This is for week 3 analysis. We're going to look at what might happen for week 3. This is a weekly time frame. You're looking at it right now. This is CAD JPY, Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. This is it right here. As you can see clearly, let me do this so you can see clearly the market is in the uptrend. You can see up, it go up, you make a low, you make a higher and higher, and it goes up here to make that big high. So if we continue to look at this, now the market gives you a quick pullback and then pull up again. Now it down here. I think that's what might happen coming up next week. So this is, you can see clearly the market is doing, this is the lower low, this is the high, this is a higher low, and it's make the same low here, right? It make the same high, so it's pulled back a little bit. So this is what might happen. So this is the weekly time frame. The market might continue to go down, right? Price of gas. Okay, this is a commodity pair, guys. The CAD economy is based on oil. So because of it, it's a commodity. So as you can see, price been going up. The Canadian dollar as well, value has been going up as well. So that would be why CAD JPY has been going. It's been in an uptrend. It's been going up for the past couple of weeks here. So you can see that this is what happened to it here. You can see that you can see that last week here after this price, it's more like a spinning top. It's not really, this is it indecisive right here, decisive the last week of August, and then this is where it started bullish again, come back down, test the resistance here again. There's a resistance right here weekly, and it's continue to go up. So now this is the last time in the weekly. On the weekly also, it's a monthly resistance right here. This is a, let's make the weekly, let's create the weekly so you can see it. This is black because it's a weekly, and there we go. So there is a weekly resistance right here and a monthly resistance right there. This is a strong one. It's tested 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a tough one to break. So if oil price of oil continue to go up, it might break it. So if it break it, most likely it'll come back to test it again before to continue to go up. This is one possibility because it's an uptrend. So this is, remember, this is the low, that the last low he made, right? The price made. So, or what might happen? Price might touch this, come back here, either stay here or continue to go down for a double bottom, okay, to come back here. Still the trend, it might be consolidating. As you can see, it come down here, up, down, up, now down. It might get here and come back down to a double bottom, double top. 1, 2. This is the 2 top, right? And this is double top, and then it can come down back to this level right here. So if you're a brave one, because it's, you can say, okay, it's been tested, you can try it. You take a sell right here and then make a little make a stop loss right on top of that, that trend here, and on top of that resistance, put your stop loss. and then you can, even if you patient for the whole week, you can put your stop loss somewhere around here, your take profit right here, or if you are long term trader, you can take profit, make a profit right here. So I'm not. I'm more like a daily day trader. I'm don't go that far, so I don't go weeks in a trade. So that's what might happen also. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame to confirm what we are seeing. So in the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, price still in an uptrend, right? It does lower, high, same high as the high, lower, same low. It was consolidating between these two, and it break it, and now it is at that resistance, or at the resistance right here. This is a 4 hour weekly resistance, the monthly resistance. You can see price are struggling right here, either to go up or down. So it's if you can see the last candlestick was a bearish one. So what might happen? Price might come back here, go back and stay at the resistance for a while to see if it's gonna break it. It's gonna sit there for a while. Okay, it's gonna sit there. If it's gonna break that resistance, it's gonna sit there for a while. This is the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. See what we see. Oh, and in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, still in the uptrend. This is where it's struggling right now at the resistance. So as you can see, could it be doing this? Let me remove that so we can see what what it can do also. So this is a price from here continue to go up, it goes down, it gives us a double top. Can price go back to here again? That's a possibility. Then before it continue to move again, it might move higher this time. Okay, that might happen because you can see right now it's giving us a double top. So it might come back to that lower low he had right here to test that. There's gonna be a resistance right here in the 1 hour time frame, and that might be what he's trying to do right now. You can see price. I would be afraid of this, not afraid, but pay attention because you can see price was going down, and it gives us a bearish man bar, but it's a hammer. It gives us a hammer. That's mean they couldn't keep it price down, so the bearish pressure was not strong enough. The bullish come back and pull price up again, but price been sitting here, and the bearish people are trying again. So you can see price just open, it goes down, but it come back up again here, right here. So that's what we are looking at for this week for CAD JPY, and from there we ask you to pay attention to the market. This is the daily time frame, and you can see price was doing good movement. It's between two a monthly resistance, monthly support, and a weekly resistance. A weekly resistance and a monthly support.